Good afternoon, this is Tom Power with RJO Futures on the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. Looking at the grain market today, we're seeing continued weakness as we saw grains close lower at the end of last week. Corn ended the week down at $4.65. Beans were down another 11 cents lower to close out at $11.81. One market which is showing some signs of strength happens to be wheat. We had a nice bounce off the low of $6.48 to close the week out around $6.60. A lot of news coming out this week, a lot of expectations. Informa expectations are set to be released later today. I really don't expect that to be favorable for corn and beans. However, I think wheat is poised for a little bit of a breakout. Some news that's hitting the headlines: Argentina, they're expected to place restrictions on wheat exports, while at the same time China, the world's largest wheat importer, is looking at increasing their imports as well. Traders should keep a close eye on the weather as that continues to favor the bears. We're seeing increased rainfall and cooler temperatures are expected to last throughout August. Moving on to the technicals, wheat. I'm finding new wheat support down around $6.50. Look for a bounce upwards close to $7 before we hit any real resistance, selling pressure. Soybeans, however, and corn, they continue to play around in oversold territory. I think soybeans are going to have a hard time struggling to get back over $12.25. Look for them to take out the lows later this week. Same thing goes for corn. Struggling with $5.15. Would expect them to probably drop a little bit lower, take out the lower, test the low from this week. We need to close over $12.25 in the soybeans and $5.15 in the corn to signal any bullish momentum or a breakout to the upside. Again, this is Tom Power with RJO Futures on the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And remember, traders, futures and options trading involves substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors.